step into the Nissan 2018 Frontier SV V6. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are steel cloth seat trim, Z66, activation disclaimer, L92, floor mats, glacier white, S65, BED rail caps, A93, BED liner trailer hitch package included, bed liner trailer hitch, PIO, rear wheel drive, power steering and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.